Okay, now it's recording. Now it's recording. We got a whole like 42 minutes. Din 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 din. Batman! Yeah, it's recording. We started a new recorder.
Hey, there's a car.
Car!
Huddle.
Okay, so the window
Don't look.
the right on the top, the second floor, are trying to scare us.
Okay.
So just chill out.
Alright.
And just act like whatever.
Ready, break.
Break. Why did they call the cops on us?
Oh, see? In 303! But your mama said. Oh, see, with that 303.
That's what I said we were doing.
Oh, man.
It's kind of blurry. Yeah, kind of.
Oh, I'm not going over there.
Hey, get ready because that thing's gonna pop up. Weird. Hey, no, seriously, I swear, man. Oh my God, you guys don't believe me.
What? Say what?
Oh, strobe light.
Hey, Genevieve, let's say it.
No, OC and the 303.
Where are these guys at? They're like all trying to scare people?
Oh, see, the 303!
What did you just
What your mama said.
Mama said. And then Eddie goes, that's what mama said.
There's like 2 cars coming.
2 cars, we're all gonna... Wait, not yet.
Did you hear that?
No.
Something like somebody threw something in that thing.
In the water?
Something dropped in that.
Nobody threw anything
I
though.
swear I heard it.
I'm telling you, it's that one thing.
Alright, we're cool. Hey, that light stopped there for like a while now. It's like...
Oh my God. Oh, that's good.
Oh shit. Man, I wish there was freaking light on here. You can't see nothing.
I can never see nothing.
I know. Shit. Okay, water. We're looking at water.
Yeah, but I heard something drop.
Dude, I swear, here, I'm gonna go check it out. I swear, I freaking saw something.
Eddie, you're stupid.
Eddie, don't be...
Don't be the white person in the movie.
There it is.
Where? Shut up.
What is it?
Oh, fuck that.
We can't pause right now. We're running. Forget that. No, we saw something in here too.
Oh fuck, you guys.
No, they're gonna... There's something in here too.
No.
Okay. Okay, like it's like dirt now. Oh shit! What the fuck is that? Oh!
Who threw that?
Okay, that was her that threw that first rock though.
No, it was the second one she threw.
The second one.
Who threw the second one?
Who threw the first one?
Because I was right here. You guys saw me.
No, okay, she threw the second one. Who threw that first one?
Ew, gross. Look at that.
Yo, what is that? For real, what is down there?
Hey, no, for real, who threw that first one?
Nobody threw anything.
Okay, that was me. That was me. That was me.
Ew.
I think I broke my ankle. But I'll be okay soon. Oh.
Throw it again, Eddie.
So what again?
Throw that rock again.
Crap, you can't even see nothing.
You guys, what's that stuff over there?
It's like a duck. Oh, shit.
Who threw that?
Oh, no one threw anything. No one threw anything.
It's just people like...
It's like people like messing with you.
Here, hold it. Because I can't run. Oh, I can't run.
That was me, guys. That was me.
Dude, what is that? What is down there?
That was Eddie.
Oh.
That was me, guys. That was me. That was me.
I got ready to fucking This is me again, guys.
Okay, that was all Eddie.
What the fuck was that? Who threw that?
Who threw that?
Nobody threw that. You guys saw me.
Eddie had something in his pocket.
Yo, no, something's gonna pop out. What the hell is that over there?
It keeps going. It keeps going further and further. What's this, man?
No, this is messed up.
No, this is not even funny. This is like
This is
so
me,
creepy.
This is me. This is me. This is me again, guys. This is me again.
You can hear someone talking over there.
This is not funny. I don't like this at all.
It's Eddie again.
This is me again, guys.
That was Eddie.
Can you notice it's getting shallower?
Yeah,
What?
that was Eddie.
You threw the second one?
No, I only threw one. I only threw one.
You didn't throw that one.
No.
Something happened there.
Something's like in here. Something like is like
I got.
Eddie's got
This
like
is me.
two.
This is me.
It's like gone now.
Throw that?
Yeah, I threw that.
Hey, we should like search within here.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna throw one more.
Eddie, maybe. Except for this man. Except for this man. Freaking.
Eddie?
Eddie.
Oh, that's jacked up.
You fuck it up, Janine. See, I'm never telling you nothing.
They already knew.